Advocate on Record Association versus Union of India AIR 1994, popularly known as Second Judge Case. Popularly known as Second Case Judge. The reference made by the President broadly related to three as three aspect. Three aspect one, Constitution of Chief Justice of India and the follow judge in the matter of the appointment of Supreme Court judge and High Court judge and transfer of the High Court. Transfer of the High Court judge full stop to judicial review of transfer of the judge. Judicial review of the transfer of judge. 3. The relevance of seniority. The relevance of seniority in making appointment to the Supreme Court. Full stop. Widening the scope of the consultation. Widening the scope of the consultation process. The court observed. Full stop. Appointment of the Supreme Court judge. Appointment of the Supreme Court judge. A. The opinion of the Chief Justice of India, which has pracy has to be formed in consultation with a collegium of the judge. Collegium of the judge हो गया collegium of the judge. 2. Collegium should consist of the Chief Justice of India and the four senior most Assucans judge. Puiscan हो गया Puiscan judge of the Supreme Court. Full stop. 3. The opinion of all the member of the collegium. Opinion of all the member of the collegium has to be in writing. Full stop. The opinion of the Chief Justice of India reflecting the opinion of the collegium has privacy. Collegium has privacy. Full stop. 4. The recommendation would be based. The recommendation would be based on a consensus. Full stop. If that is not the case. If that is not the case and the majority of collegium is against the appointment of a particular person, then that person shall not be appointed. Full stop. Whoever no one can be appointed to the Supreme Court unless this appointment is in a conformity with the opinion of the Chief Justice of India. Full stop. On the other hand, if Chief Justice of India is in a minority and the majority of the collegium disfavor the appointment of a person, then the person shall not be appointed. Full stop. 5. Merit is the main consideration. For the purpose of the appointment to the Supreme Court. Full stop. The question of seniority would rise only in the case of the equal meritorious candidate. Full stop. Nothing can prevent the collegium from the selecting in outstanding person from down below after recording the fact. Full stop. 6. Judicial review in the case of an appointment over in a recommended appointment is available if the recommendation concerned is not a decision of the Chief Justice of India and is senior most college, which is a constitutional requisite. Full stop. But after the constitutional 99 amendment 2014, 99 Amendment 2014, the provision related to the appointment of the judge of the Supreme Court and High Court stand change full stop. Article 124 clause 2. Every judge of the Supreme Court shall be appointed by the President by warrant under this and seal on the recommendation of the National Judicial Appointment Commission referred to in Article 124, Article 124A and shall hold office until he attain the age of the 65 year full stop. Article 217 clause 1. 217 clause 1. High Court every judge of a high court shall be appointed by the president by warrant under this and seal on the recommendation of the National Judicial Appointment Commission referred to in Article 124A. 124A and shall hold office in the case of an additional or acting judge. Acting judge shall hold office in the case of an additional or acting judge as provided in Article 224 and in any other case until he attain the age of the 62 year full stop. Article 124A. Article 124A 1. There shall be a commission to be known as the National Judicial Appointment Commission, consisting of the following, namely: A. The Chief Justice of India, Chairperson ex officio. B. 2 other senior-most judge of Supreme Court next to the Chief Justice of India. Member ex officio. C. The Union Minister in charge of law and justice. Member ex officio. D. Two eminent person to be nominated by the committee consisting of the Prime Minister, the Chief Justice of India, and the Leader of the Opposition in the House of the People, or where there is no such Leader of Opposition, then the Leader of a single largest opposition party in the House of the People. Members, provided that one of the eminent persons shall be nominated from amongst the person belonging to the scheduled caste, the scheduled tribe, other backward class, minority, or women, provided further that an eminent person shall be nominated for the period of the 3 year. And shall not be eligible for renomination. Not be eligible for renomination. 2. No act or proceeding of the National Judicial Appointment Commission shall be questioned or to invalidate merely in the ground of the existence of any vacancy or defect in the constitution. Defect of the constitution of the commission. Defect of the constitution in the commission. Full stop. However, in Supreme Court Advocate on Record Association and Union of India, the new appointment system, that means National Judicial Appointment Commission NJAC, has been declared unconstitutional and void by the Honorable Supreme Court of India on 16 October 2015. Thought no amendment has taken place after the declaration of the unconstitutionality unconstitutionality of the NJAC. Supreme Court declared that NJAC is interfering with the autonomy of the judiciary by the executive which amount to tampering of the basic structure of the constitution, where parliament is empowered to change the basic structure full stop. However, Supreme Court has acknowledged that the collegial collegial system of appointing judge is lacking transparency and credibility, which would be rectified improved by the judiciary. Short note on the distracting jurist. Distracting jurist is a highly qualified law. Distracting jurist is a highly qualified law professor who can be appointed as a judge of Supreme Court by President according to the Article 124 Clause 3. 124 Clause 3 of the Indian Constitution. Full stop. This qualification was put in the Constitution in case it was never felt that a person with rich academic knowledge of law, but no practical experience of being an advocate or a judge could be made Supreme Court judge in order to contribute this knowledge to important question of the law decided by the Supreme Court. Full stop. By distracting jurist, the Constitution means that the person thus referred is a respected scholar of the law, and his contribute greatly to the legal academia thought not as a practicing lawyer, Full stop. No distracting jurist has been appointed as a Supreme Court never since the Constitution was adopted. Never. High Court in the state. Article 214 से 227. High Court in the state. Article 214 से 227. Writ jurisdiction. Article 32 and 226. Writ jurisdiction. Article 32 and 226. The Union Government 52 से 123. The Union Government 52 से 123. State Government 152 से 213. The State Government 152 से 213. Parliamentary Privilege Article 105 and 194. 105 and 194. Relation between the Union and the State Article 245 से 289. 289. Freedom of Trade and Commerce and Intercourse Article 301 to 307. Service under the Union and the State Article 309 से 323. पंचायत एंड म्यूनिसिपैलिटी 243 से 243 ZG. इलेक्शन 324 से 329 है. इलेक्शन 324 से 329 है. इमरजेंसी प्रोविजन 352 से 360. अमेंडमेंट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन 368. अमेंडमेंट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्या हो गया? 368 हो गया अमेंडमेंट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. अमेंडमेंट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हो गया, 368 हो गया अमेंडमेंट ऑफ